Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify iOS crash reports using Sentry Release Health, full guide step by step clearly. To verify iOS crash reports using Sentry Release Health, start by ensuring you have a Sentry account set up. Next, integrate the Sentry SDK into your iOS app. You can do this using CocoaPods or Swift Package Manager. Once the SDK is integrated, initialize Sentry in your app's entry point. Make sure to include your Sentry DSN in the configuration. After setting up Sentry, set up a release version for your app. Versioning your releases is crucial for accurate tracking and verification. Deploy your app to TestFlight or the App Store to gather crash reports. Ensure your app logs the relevant events and context to Sentry. To view crash reports, log into your Sentry account and select your project. Navigate to the Releases section in the Sentry dashboard. Click on the release version you are interested in. Here, you will find a summary of crash events associated with that release. Examine the crash reports and look for patterns or frequent issues. Utilize the context provided by Sentry to diagnose the root cause of the crashes. Take note of the affected devices and operating system versions mentioned in the reports. This will help you identify if specific conditions are leading to crashes. If necessary, update your code to fix the identified issues. After releasing a new version of your app, continue to monitor Sentry for new crash reports. This ongoing review will help maintain app stability and user satisfaction. Utilize Sentry's performance monitoring tools to track the overall health of your app. Make sure to review user sessions in conjunction with the crash reports. This will provide a comprehensive understanding of how users interact with your app before a crash occurs. Finally, establish a routine for checking Sentry reports after each significant release. This proactive approach will keep your app running smoothly and reduce the frequency of crashes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.